Welcome to ImmoParse. My name is Sam, I am your digital assistant at ImmoParse, and today I will show you how to quickly and easily save comparison points in lists. This way, you can easily find them later and use them immediately in your estimates and reports. This feature is ideal for building a strong and convincing case. Let's see an example. Let's assume we want to estimate a house in Mons. In the ImmoParse web application, we first enter the details of our property. Postal code and municipality, Mons, street, Rue Brisselot, 18. Type of property, house. We then click on Advanced Search. I want to obtain comparison points within a 1 kilometer radius. Finally, I choose the comparison points from the last 3 years by specifying a start date in the Recently Viewed field. We click on Search, and ImmoParse then extracts the relevant comparison points from the database for us. We receive a list of comparison points within a 1 kilometer radius around the specified address. In this overview, the comparison points are ranked according to their distance from the specified address. We click on a comparison point. This video is not intended to analyze a comparison point in detail. Other videos are dedicated to this subject. But let's assume that after analysis, we decide to include this comparison point in our file. We can then save it in a list using the button with the arrow. For this example, we will create a new list, for instance, Client X, Brisselot Street 18, Mons. We click on this list, and then we save the comparison point. Another method is to directly record the points of comparison from this table. Suppose you perform a quick scan of the points of comparison based on the details of the table in the photos, and then decide which points of comparison are relevant. You can then check here the points of comparison you wish to record in a list. We click on the button with the arrow, then choose the list in which to save these points of comparison. We click on Done. So this is a second method for recording points of comparison. Once this list is created, we can also manage and consult it. We go to Lists, Manage Lists, where we find the list we just created. By clicking on it, we see the comparison points we selected earlier. We can display these comparison points on a map. Here we see Brisselot Street and the comparison points located near the address, as requested. Finally, we can also export these comparison points. This can be done in both Excel and PDF formats. With this PDF, for example, you can go to your client and present a well-supported file. The current PDF is designed in the ImmoParse house style, but you can fully customize it by replacing the logos and colors. It is also possible to convert this list into a complete appraisal report. If you are interested, we have made another video on this topic. We have also created a separate video on the export to Excel feature. Do you want to try it yourself? Go to immoparse.be and leave your contact details at the bottom of the page to benefit from a free 14-day demonstration and discover for yourself how easy it is to create a solid and convincing file with ImmoParse. Would you like to know more? Follow us on social media and check out our other tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you soon.